For today's video, we're going to go over some long division word problems. So let's take a look at those now. So I'm going to use this website here to help solve the word problems. I will leave a link in the description down below. So the first problem we have is 72 crayons are divided equally among 12 students. How many crayons does each student receive? Okay, so for the divisor, I'm going to put 12. And then for the dividend, I'm going to put 72 here. So what's 72 divided by 12 basically? What's it going to be? Let's calculate that and see. And for our answer, we have 6 with a remainder of 0. So 72 divided by 12 equals 6. And then I've got this here, the solution, just showing you how you solve the problem here. Now for that 0, you don't have to do it. If you're more experienced with this, you can leave it out, okay? But if you're new to this, I would leave the 0 in. Let's look at the next problem now. And for the next problem, we have 60 cookies are baked for a school bake sale. If they are packaged in groups of 10, how many packages of cookies can be made? So let's go ahead for our divisor. We're going to put 10. And then for the dividend, we're going to put 60. So what's 60 divided by 10 going to be? Let's go ahead and calculate that now. And then for our answer, 60 divided by 10 again is 6. Just 6, no remainder here. And then for our solution, we have here how you solved 60 divided by 10 here, just to show you how you got the answer. Let's look at the third problem now. And the third problem says 85 stickers are shared equally among 9 friends. How many stickers does each friend get? And how many stickers are left over? Now, the key word here is left over. That's going to tell you there's a remainder. So if you're a great reader, like you like to say you are, you need to make sure you read this carefully and don't forget the remainder or the problem will be wrong. So for the divisor, we're going to put 9. And then for the dividend, we're going to write 85. So what's 85 divided by 9? Let's calculate that now. And 85 divided by 9, the answer is 9, remainder 4. Now you've got that 9 with 4 over 9. Don't worry about that. The answer above it, 9 remainder 4 is the answer. And then I've got the solution here showing you how we got this problem here. Okay. Now, if they tell you to show your work, you've got to show your work like this. Okay. And make sure you include the remainder. If you don't put the remainder in, it's going to be wrong. Let's look at the fourth problem now. And for the fourth problem, we have a movie theater has 224 seats. There are 14 rows of seats. How many seats are in each row? Okay, so for the divisor, we're going to write 14. And then in the dividend, we're going to put 224. And then we're going to divide it. So what's 224 divided by 14? Let's calculate that. And for our answer, we have 224 divided by 14 is 16, just straight 16. It says remainder 0 there, but if there's no remainder, no need to put the 0, so just 16. And let's see for the solution. Again, we're showing our work. It's very important that you show your work so we know how you solved it here. So here we go. And again, don't forget any of the steps here. Now, let's look at the fifth problem here. So for the fifth problem, it says 250 marbles are divided equally among 11 friends. how many marbles does each friend receive? And how many marbles are left over? There's that keyword again, left over. So for the divisor, let's put 11. And then for the dividend, we're going to put 250. So what's 250 divided by 11? Let's calculate that. So for 250 divided by 11, the answer is 22 remainder 8 here. So that's the answer we want for this problem here. 22 remainder 8. And for our solution, we have 250 divided by 11, which again is 22 remainder 8. And again, please show your work. All right, let's go on to the last problem here. And the last problem says 378 books need to be placed on shelves. Each shelf can hold 12 books. How many shelves are needed and how many books will be left over? Okay, so again, for the divisor, we're going to write 12. And then for the dividend, we are going to write 378. So what is the answer going to be for 378 divided by 12? Let's calculate that. Okay, so for 378 divided by 12, we have an answer of 31 remainder 6. Okay, so this top one here is the answer, 31 remainder 6. And just showing you here how we got the answer. It's a little bit bigger, so it's a little bit longer, but there it is. We've got 31 remainder 6. And again, when they ask you to show the work, make sure you show the work like this, please. Okay, this way we know what you've done, that you've proven you know how to do it. So that's today's video. I just wanted to do some division word problems, some long division, some 2 by 2, some 2 by 3s, just to give you some practice reading the problem, seeing if you understand it. Are you able to solve it and show your work? Okay, so that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. I look forward to seeing you for my next video.